What's up, y'all? This is the second video in a 4-part series where I take the 2012 TMNT toys and paint them to look like black and white comic book drawings. This one I'm doing Mikey. Right here I'm putting a thin layer of primer. Last week I did Leo. And what happens is I did these videos weeks ago, and now I'm gonna retroactively watch it with you and give some play-by-play and maybe commentary. I'm onto a layer of cheap white acrylic. I'm doing thin layers. White takes a few and I don't want to lose any of the details. Now I'm on to titanium white. This is going to be the final white that I use. Not the final layer, but, well, the almost, I don't know, fuck. Alright, sufficiently covered in titanium white. Now I'm putting a thin layer of clear coat to try and seal the white before I do a black wash. I'm doing a black wash. It's just some black acrylic mixed with water, and you want to get it in all the cracks and cover the figure and then wipe it off, but leave it in the cracks as much as you can. Getting in the eyes with some titanium white, and now I'm dry brushing a thin layer on top. The dry brushing didn't cover enough, so putting another coat of titanium white, doing my best to leave the details black. Using a battleship gray mixed with black to paint the masks. I thought solid black would contrast too much with the rest of the details, the color of the wash. The carbon black just for the pupils, and I use a toothpick to do that because it's easier than a brush. The final clear coat. Alright, it's done. Now I'm gonna move on to the weapons. I'm gonna do all the turtles' weapons here, and it's pretty much exactly the same process. This is white primer. Black primer. Titanium white. Clear coat. Gold. So I always use Now I'm doing the black wash, and they're done. I think I did another clear coat, but I don't think I did actually. No, I didn't.
When he arrived at the clinic, the
Should've.
I've never seen such a horrific picture of destruction. He suffers from delusions of infinite grandeur. It's hopeless.
Okay.